Classify each functional group as either an alcohol, aldehyde, amide, carboxylic acid, ester, ether, or ketone. Functional group 1 is aldehyde. Functional group 2 is a ketone. Functional group 3 is an ether. Next, what is the structure of 2-bromo-octanol? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2-bromo-octanol. Next question. Name the molecule below using IUPAC or IUPAC rules. Three, 4, dimethyl, 2, pentanone. It's a ketone. The carbonyl group is at carbon number 2. What is the reduction product of a ketone with hydrogen gas with a palladium catalyst? The answer is a secondary alcohol. Next question. Identify a carbon atom contained in an acetal and a hemiacetal. So blank 1, an acetal carbon. Blank 2, a hemiacetal carbon. Acetal carbon, C5, hemiacetal carbon, C10. The reaction below is fundamental to fission. Which statement describes what happens during the reaction? The reactant molecule is transformed from a cis to a trans stereoisomer. The reactant molecule is transformed from a trans to a cis stereoisomer. The reactant molecule is reduced from an aldehyde to an alcohol. The reactant molecule is oxidized from a molecule to an aldehyde. The answer is A. Reactant molecule is transformed from a cis to a trans stereoisomer. Class of molecules is aldoses, ketoses, or neither in the blanks provided. Molecule 1 is an aldose. Molecule 2 is a ketose. Aldose. ketose. And 3 is neither. Notice that there is no other, the top molecule or portion of the molecule, that's a carboxylic acid. That's an amino group. That is an amino acid. Classify the carbohydrate below. It's 6 carbons. Is an aldohexose. How do you know? Nope. Should have drawn that first before before I jump to the answer. So carbon 1, carbon 2, 3, that's up, so the OH group is on the left. Down, so it's on the right. Three, 4, 5. And the reason that I know that from, if we look back at carbon 2, spotted 1, 2 carbons. So ketose, got ketohexose. Next question, identify this molecule. Specifically, we know it's a D sugar. It is a ketose. So we just D fructose. That was just something that you would have to memorize. You have to, but this is an old. You had to memorize for old exams. Don't memorize for Spring 2020. Consider the disaccharide maltose below and answer the following questions. Identify the two anomeric carbon atoms, and then indicate your answer and indicate your answer with whole numbers separated by a comma. Carbons 1 and 5. 5 is a acetal carbon. Carbon 1 is a hemiacetal carbon. Okay. And then, is the molecule a reducing sugar? Yes, because it contains hemiacetal. The molecule below contains blank chiral centers. Report your answer to the whole number. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 chirality centers. Which two molecules are enantiomers of one another? You had to pick 2. C, D, OH, OH, mirror images, mirror images. Match the Haworth projection to the correct Fisher projection. Better way would be to draw that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 is the anomeric carbon. So that's the contains the carbonyl in it. 2, the hydroxyl group is up. It's on the left. Carbon 3, up, on the left, up, on the left, and then this is a D sugar, carbon 5, because by definition C2OH is up. So that's the correct Fisher projection. So I'm going to go through and look for it. So 3 hydroxyls on the left, 1 on the right. So B. 3 hydroxyls on the left, 1 on the right. Yeah. So B. And next question, which two carbohydrates are starches? Amylose and amylopectin. Cellulose is a fiber, plant wall material. Glucose is carbohydrate storage in mammals and animals. And sucrose, that is a disaccharide.